this lesson, we'll finish the housing that we started in the previous lesson. We'll edit the housing elements using the direct modeling tools, add fillets and rounding surfaces. Finally, we'll adjust the display of the smooth edges. We need to move up the inspection window. There is a special new command for this in the direct modeling panel. Click Change Face Position, enable the Select Tangent Faces option, and select one of the window's faces. Select the Y-axis as the guiding object. Set the distance to 10. Confirm. To create the same window on the opposite side of the part, start the Mirror command. In Compo 3D version 24, you can select faces to create their copies using the Array Creation commands. Select the window's faces. Mirror them relative to the ZY plane. Confirm. Then we'll create a hole for worm shaft bearings. For this, start the Extrusion Element command. Select the circle. I need to change the direction. Click Subtraction. Through all. Confirm. Start the Fillet command. Set the radius to 3. Select the edges of the conical bosses. I've accidentally confirmed the command, so let me stop and edit the fillet. I'll add the remaining edges. And confirm. For the next edges, we'll use the Rounding Surface command. It allows you to create a smooth transition surface between two selected faces. Go to the Wireframe and Surfaces toolbar set. Start the command. Disable Select Tangent Faces. Select the flat housing face as the first surface. Activate the Surface To field. Select the conical face and the fillet surface as the second surface. Take a look at the design section. In version 24, we've added a new way of the rounding surface creation that doesn't require a guiding line. Also, you can now choose the result. Leave the base faces unchanged, trim them by the rounding surface, or knit them with the rounding surface. Confirm. By default, all new surfaces are blue. We can make them the same color as the part. Let me cancel the last command via the Ctrl-Z shortcut. Go to Settings, Parameters, Current Document, Object Properties. As you can see, the Parameters dialog has been completely updated in version 24. Find the rounding surface and set the displaying method to BySourceObject. Apply and close the dialog. Add rounding surfaces to all the conical bosses. Now all the new surfaces have the same color as the other housing elements. Go to the Solid Modeling toolbar set. Create fillets with the radius of 5 for these edges. Confirm. Change the radius to 4 and select these edges. Confirm. Now we'll adjust the display of smooth edges for the current part. Go to Settings, Parameters, Current document. Now you can search commands via their names in the Parameters dialog. Enter Smooth Edges into the Search field. Go to the Found section and clear the search field. Change the edge style to dashed. Apply and close the dialog. Please note that we added ordinal numbers for operations in the tree. To display them, click the gear button and select Ordinal numbers. The reducer housing is ready. Save it.